Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Sing Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about the class 12 chemistry. As we know that our concept is changed to that our chapter, that is D and F block elements. That means as per this concept, guys, we have to study about the concept of some important compound of D block element. In this section, we have to discuss about the important compound just like the potassium bicarbonate, potassium permanganate, ferrous sulfate, that is green vitriol. That means we have to change out the section in terms of the formation of the compound that is derived from the iron in it. In the previous section, we have to discuss about the ferrous sulfate property and also discussed about the uses of ferrous sulfate. In this concept of video, we have to discuss about the compound that is ferrous oxide. Ferrous oxide, that is FeO. First point is this: generally the compound of iron, that is ferrous oxide, is black in color due to color property of the oxidation and transition metals. So guys, in the concept of this, we have to discuss this very earlier in the section, that is all the transition elements possess the color property in terms of the oxide formation. This is the concept of ferrous oxide, that is the black in color. Now we have to take about the concept of preparation. In terms of preparation guys. For the preparation, there is the concept of reaction, that is FeC2O4 combined with the absence of air, and after decomposition in terms, it is combined in the term of the formation of FeO plus CO2 plus C, that is your ferrous chromate. This is the compound form, that is ferrous oxide. This is your carbon dioxide, and this is your carbon monoxide. That means if you have to take the process of decomposition, in the absence of air, in initial condition, there is some vacant oxygen is present. That's why there is the first of that. In first condition, the reaction becomes the complete combustion. After that, in terms of the absence of air, the combustion becomes in the partial space. That is the formation of carbon dioxide as well as carbon monoxide in this. For the knowing the better concept view, you have to write here, for preparation we have to take the process of decomposition. with heating effect and also the absence of air. The reactant compound that is ferrous chromate is substituted in our important compound that is ferrous oxide, and removal tends to carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. That means this is the complete synopsis of this reaction mechanism in terms of the decomposition with the help of heating and the absence of air. You have to know the concept of why carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide both get evolved. That means for the concept, just of all, you have to take the concept of this formation. There is the vacant space. That means this contains particles of air, and as we know that in the presence of air, this tends to complete combustion, forming carbon dioxide. Another term, when you have to take the space in terms of closed space, and this is absence of air formation, and this condition takes the partial combustion and forming carbon monoxide is this. That means guys, for the formation of this reaction mechanism, for the preparation of ferrous oxide, we have to take the sequential reaction. In the terms of vacant, in terms of the absence of air, when this is your initial space, and your final sequences, that means in the terms of initial sequences, there is some air present in this, and this tends to the complete combustion, forming carbon dioxide in the reactant, in the product after completing the action. But you have to take the position of absence of air, your combustion takes the partial form and it causes the sequences of only carbon monoxide is this. So guys, this is the complete sequences and this is the complete concept of the process of this is the preparation of ferrous oxide in this, the complete synopsis and the complete concept here. So guys, you have to take a note for this, Okay, we have to erase it. Now we have to see about its property, 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 that is the compound of ferrous sulfate, ferrous oxide is complete stable at hot and high temperature condition, while on cooling it get again separated in ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3 and the initial iron. That means for in terms of property guys, we have to see the concept of only stability in this. How the stability condition takes the valuable for the ferrous sulfate, that means in the heating condition this tends to the stability. When you have to cooling down it becomes again separated in ferric oxide and iron formation in terms of initial. So guys, after that we have to discuss about the another one compound of this ferrous, that is ferrous chloride in this. So take a note for this. Okay, now we have to remove this because our another important compound is get studied by us here. Okay, now our another one compound is ferrous chloride. Ferrous chloride is this, that is FeCl2. In terms of the compound, that is preparation, that is in terms of preparation, this during preparation of the compound FeCl2 is here. Again the concept is derived from our previous section of video. We have discussed that when you have to prepare the compound like containing some negatively charged ion, you have to take an acid that contains same ion. You have to again use the process of single displacement. Due to the lower reactivity of hydrogen in acid, it gets displaced and your metal gets the place of the hydrogen and your compound gets formed. Again for this concept, that means here during the process preparation of compound of FeCl2, ferrous chloride, we have to take iron in terms of ferrous and combine with the hydrochloric acid with the presence of heat and the current of hydrochloric acid. After completing reaction, the hydrogen from acid get displaced by metal due to lower reactivity order, and the hydrogen get evolved. That's it. Now we have to discuss about the reaction mechanism. We have to take Fe plus HCl. The combination gets represented with the help of heat, and in a current of HCl, your resultant product is FeCl2 plus H2 gets evolved in this. That means this is the compound of ferrous chloride, and the concept tends to again single displacement. That means this is the concept of preparation about your another one compound of ferrous, that is ferrous chloride here. So guys, you have to take the concept here, you have to learn about the concept. That means you have to write the complete synopsis of this reaction, and this is your mechanism form. So guys, take a note for this.